How to become an iOS developer? An iOS developer is a skilled professional who specializes in developing software applications for Apple's mobile operating system, iOS. They are responsible for designing, coding, testing and implementing programs that run on iPhones, iPads, and other iOS devices. The role of an iOS developer is to create innovative applications that add value to the user experience. To become an iOS developer requires both technical skills and creativity. Aspiring developers should have a strong foundation in programming languages such as Swift or Objective-C, as well as familiarity with development tools like Xcode. Additionally, they need to keep up with the latest trends and changes in the world of app development. To succeed as an iOS developer, it's not just about being technically proficient but also having good communication skills, since they will be collaborating with designers and other members of the team. Continuing education can also help improve your skills over time, so attending workshops or taking online courses can increase your competitiveness in this field. Overall, becoming an iOS developer requires dedication and a passion for technology combined with a creative mind that seeks out unique solutions for users' needs. What are the essential qualifications to become an iOS developer? To become an iOS developer, there are certain qualifications you must possess. Firstly, having a degree in computer science or any related field can boost your chances of becoming an iOS developer. This provides a solid foundation of knowledge in programming and software development. However, this is not always necessary, as many successful developers have learned through online courses and self-study. Secondly, it's crucial to be proficient in Swift programming language, as it is the language used for developing applications on Apple devices. Having experience with Objective-C is also beneficial, since some older apps still use this language. Thirdly, problem-solving skills are essential for any iOS developer. Debugging and resolving issues that arise during the app development process requires creative thinking and analytical skills. The qualifications required to become an iOS developer include a background in computer science or software engineering related fields. Also requires proficiency in Swift programming language with some experience in Objective-C and excellent problem-solving skills. With these requirements met, coupled with dedication and passion for app development on Apple devices, you can master the craft of building apps that will enhance user experiences on iPhones and iPads. What are the steps required to become an iOS developer? To become an iOS developer, you first need to obtain a degree in computer science or software engineering. This degree will lay the foundation for your technical skills, which are necessary to create successful iOS applications. Next, you should learn programming languages such as Swift and Objective-C, which are used to develop iOS apps. Apple also offers coding classes and resources that can help beginners get started. After acquiring the necessary technical skills, it is important to gain hands-on experience by developing real-world applications. Building your own app from scratch or contributing to open-source projects can give you practical experience and demonstrate your abilities to potential employers. Networking is equally important in the tech industry. Attending developer conferences or joining online communities can help you make connections with other professionals in the field. Finally, continuous learning and staying up to date on trends and new technologies is critical for success as an iOS developer. Keeping up with industry news, participating in online courses or obtaining additional certifications can increase your marketability as a professional developer. What are the tips to follow? If you're looking to become an iOS developer, here are a few key tips that can help set you on the right path. First and foremost, it's important to have a solid understanding of programming fundamentals, including object-oriented programming principles and an understanding of data structures and algorithms. This foundation will be essential as you start working with Swift, the primary language used for developing iOS apps. Another important step is to familiarize yourself with Xcode, Apple's integrated development environment, IDE, for creating iOS apps. This tool comes packed with features that can help streamline your workflow and make it easier to build high-quality apps quickly. Conclusion. Finally, it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest developments in the iOS ecosystem. With these tips in mind, aspiring developers can take steps toward building successful careers in this exciting field.